are done. So as you can see here, we have the circle function, the seashell function, the colored spiral function, and the tree pattern function. Now I'm pretty sure that all of you have seen this in the previous time lapse. So let's just go through them again. Now a circle function requires a radius. This circle doesn't draw a basic circle, as some of you might have noticed. So if we call the circle function and give the radius as 100, you will now see what I mean. This is not any regular circle, and is instead a circle made up of several other circles. And there you go, our mega circle is complete. Now, when we go to the next function, which is our seashell, we can now see what the seashell function does. This is extremely similar to the previous command, except it makes a shape similar to that of a seashell. With multiple circles of a different radius, it creates the illusion of a tube, which is found inside of a seashell. And there you go, our seashell function is also complete. Now our next function, the colored spiral. This creates a similar pattern which uses different colors. And we must provide the radius too. And there you go. It just simply creates multiple circles of different colors to create a spiral pattern. And finally, we have our tree pattern. Unfortunately, I had to cut this slightly short, but it works either way. And that is our tree pattern right there. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you next time.